Hello friends, today I am going to make video on metals and non-metals. These are the examples of metals. Metals. A metal is a material, an element, compound or alloy that is typically hard, opaque, shiny and has a good electrical and thermal conductivity. Metals are generally malleable, that is, they can be hammered or pressed permanently out of shape without breaking or cracking, as well as fusible, able to be fused or melted, and ductile, able to be drawn out into a thin wire. About 91 of the 118 elements in the periodic table are metals. Some elements appear in both metallic and non-metallic forms, example gold, silver, iron, copper, etc. These are the examples of non-metals. Non-metals. In chemistry, a non-metal is a chemical element that mostly lacks metallic attributes. Physically, non-metals tend to be high volatile, easily vaporized, have low elasticity, and are good insulators of heat and electricity. Chemically, they tend to have high ionization energy and electronegativity values and gain or share electrons when they react with other elements or compounds. 17 elements are generally classified as nonmetals. Most are gases: hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, chlorine, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. One is a liquid, bromine, and a few are solids: carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, and iodine. Physical properties of nonmetals. Malleability. Nonmetals are not malleable, but they are brittle, break easily. Example: sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Ductility. Nonmetals are not ductile. Example: silicon, boron, etc. Sonorous. Nonmetals are not sonorous, that means it cannot produce when hit with a hammer. Example: bromine, fluorine, etc. Density. Nonmetals generally have low density. Example: hydrogen, carbon, etc. Melting and boiling point. Nonmetals have low melting point and boiling point. Example: bromine, fluorine, etc. Hardness and softness. Nonmetals are generally soft. Example: carbon, phosphorus, etc. Conductor of heat and electricity. Nonmetals are generally bad conductors of heat and electricity. Example: iodine, neon, etc. Physical properties of metals. Lustrous. Metals have luster. This means they are shiny. Example: gold, copper, silver, iron, etc. Ductility. Metals are ductile, that is, they can be drawn into thin wires. Example: gold, copper, silver, iron, etc. Conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, that is, it allows heat and electricity to pass through it easily. Example: gold, copper, silver, iron, etc. Sonorous. Metals are sonorous. It means it makes sound when hit with an object. Example: bells, strings of guitar, etc. Hardness and softness. Metals are generally hard in nature. Example: iron, copper, gold, etc. Melting and boiling point. Metals have high melting and boiling point. Example: iron, copper, gold, aluminium, etc. Exceptional cases. Electrical conductivity. Carbon, in the form of graphite, is a non-metal which conducts electricity just like metals. Luster. Iodine is a non-metal which is lustrous, having a shining surface just like metals. Hardness and softness. Alkali metals lithium, sodium and potassium are soft just like non-metals. Carbon, in the form of diamond, is a non-metal which is extremely hard just like metals. Physical state. Mercury is a metal but it is liquid at room temperature. Melting and boiling point. Sodium, potassium, cesium and gallium. Metals have low melting points. Diamond is a non-metal which has a very high melting and boiling point. Density. Alkali metals lithium, sodium and potassium have low densities just like non-metals. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.